out, let it out. 48 counts, 4 walls, no tags or restarts. But it's a good high, intermediate, easy, advanced, so good luck with it. Leading with the left foot. We're going to cross that left foot over 1. All the way across like a lock step. The right foot's going to step back on the diagonal, 2. And as I do that, I'm going to drag that left heel across the floor, 3. So we're holding on count 3. Ball cross, left, right, and 4. Let's just try those 4 counts, crossing the left foot. 1, diagonal, 2, hold, 3, and 4. Unwind a full turn to the left, putting the weight onto the left foot, 5. Step the right foot to the side, 6. Behind side cross with the left foot, 7 and 8. So those 8 counts, crossing the left foot over first. 1, slide 2, hold 3 and 4, turn 5, side 6, behind 7 and 8. Next 8 counts is a step to the right side, 1, sliding that left foot in. Quarter turn, stepping the left foot to the side, 2. Point the right toe across the left on 3. Point the right toe to the side on 4. Do a right sailor step, 5 and 6. Body is naturally angled, or the hips are naturally angled towards the diagonal. Staying on that diagonal to a kick, close side, 7 and 8. So those 8 counts again. I'm going to break some styling down here too. 2 steps to the sides, 1, 2. Pointing the right toe, but really think of this as a heavy step, almost like a push. So I'm pushing the right, pushing to the side, sailor step, and then kick, ball step. The weight's on the right foot, but hips are angled to the diagonal at the end of those 8 counts. Should we try it from the top? Here we go. Left foot crossing over, 7, 8, cross 1, back 2, hold 3 and 4, turn 5, side 6, behind 7 and 8. 1, 2, push 3, push 4, sailor 5 and 6, kick 7 and 8. From there, you're going to square up to face 9 o'clock, the side wall, hitching that left knee, 1. Step down and hitch the right knee, 2. Step down and point the left toe to the side, 3. Touch it in, point it to the side again. So that's 2 hitches, left knee, right knee, point and point. And you'll notice that I kind of added styling there. And what I do is I slap the inside of the knee with the opposite hand, okay? And take the hand to the knee. Don't bring the knee to the hand. Does that make sense? So don't bring the knee up. Take the hand down so that it's not a high hitch. We're going 1 and 2 and point and point. From there, I'm going to close the left foot and point the right toe to the side, 5. Close the right toe and point the left toe to the side, 6. I'm going to do a body roll here to the left, transferring the weight onto the left foot, 7. Step the right foot next to left and step the left foot to the side, 8. So that's the left knee hitching, 1 and 2 and point 3 and 4 and point 5 and point 6. Body roll, 7 and 8. Weight is on the left foot and I'm facing 9 o'clock. Let's try that. One more time, but a little bit faster. You just did the kick ball step, 7 and 8, hitch 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Let's try it from the top. Left foot crossing in front. Ready? 6, 7, 8. Cross 1, slide 2, hold 3 and 4. Turn 5, side 6, behind 7 and 8. 1, 2, point 3, point 4, sailor 5 and 6, kick 7 and 8. Hitch 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. How did you do? Well, I hope. You're facing 9 o'clock. The next section is going to make a quarter turn to the left, face the back. And you're going to kick your right foot to the diagonal, step down on that right and touch your left toe behind. Same with the left foot, you're going to kick your left foot to the side, step down on that left and touch your right toe behind. So we're doing kick, step, tap, kick, step, tap. One more time, the right foot's kicking 1 and 2, 3 and 4. From there, that right toe touches out, 5, and again, it's a heavy step. Bring that right foot touching behind again, 6. Do a right side shuffle, 7 and 8. So those 8 counts, let me go ahead and face this way so you can practice along with me. Kicking to the side, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now that's the easy way to do it. There is a slightly harder option for those that would like the challenge. And that's some styling that I actually absolutely took from a movement that Shane McKeever does quite often in some of the routines with country vibes. So this is kind of the styling that we would do on the kick section. And that is, I kick the right, and as I step down on the right, I kick my left, okay? So I'm actually going kick, kick, and then I touch behind. Same with the left foot, I go kick, kick, touch. So the movement would be 1 and 2, 3 and 4. It's the same weight transfer as kick and touch. We're just adding the extra low kick, okay? Now the next section, you can do this whether you do the double kick or not, is as I touch to the side, I actually swivel that left toe, or both toes in, so a pigeon toed, and then I swivel the toe out again. So if you'll notice my left toe goes in, out as I do that touch. So it will go in, out. The whole movement would be 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. I'll go ahead and try that facing 6 o'clock. Kicking the right foot first. Kick 1 and touch 2, 3 and touch 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let's try it from the top. Here we go. Let it out. Cross the left foot over. 7, 8. Cross 1. Back 2. Hold 3 and 4. Turn 5. Side 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, point 3, point 4. Sailor 5 and 6. Kick 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Kick 1 and touch 2. 3 and 4, out 5, 6, triple 7 and 8. Rewind if you need to. We're going to move on. This next section's easy-ish. Cross your left foot over 1. Step the right foot to the side 2. This is like a sailor step with a heel. Cross your left foot behind 3. Step the right foot next to left and touch your left heel to the diagonal. 4. Step down on the left foot and cross your right foot over 5. Make a quarter turn to the right, stepping back on your left foot 6. And a half turn in total, doing a shuffle 7 and 8. You're facing the back of the room, the left foot crosses over first. We do cross, side, behind and heel, and cross, quarter, sides together, quarter. Let's try this again with a count. Left foot first. This is 1, 2, sailor, 3 and heel, 4 and 5, 6, triple 7 and 8. We've got 8 counts left at this point. Let's try it from the top. Left foot crossing over. 7, 8. Cross 1. Back 2. Hold 3 and 4. Turn 5. Side 6, 7 and 8. Sliding 1, 2, point 3. Push 4. Sailor 5 and 6. Kick 7 and 8. Hitch 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Kick 1 and touch 2, 3 and 4. Out 5. Behind 6. Triple 7 and 8. Cross the left 1, 2. Behind 3 and heel 4 and 5, 6. Triple 7 and 8. Last 8 counts. Step your left foot next to right and do a big step forward on the right foot and 1. Leaning back slightly. Okay. So once again, you do a triple step. 7 and 8 and 1. Leaning back. Rock forward in the left foot 2. Recover the weight onto the right foot, sweeping the left 3. Recover the You're going to do a right coaster step, 5 and 6. Step your left foot next to right, slightly behind. As you pop your right knee forward, 7. Step forward on your right foot and sweep your left foot around, 8. Ready to start again, crossing the left foot over. So once again, we just finished the shuffle forward, 7 and 8. You close the left with a big step leaning back. And 1, rock forward left, 2, back 3, back 4, coaster 5 and 6, hitch 7, 8, begin the dance again. And I just say hitch, but it is really a pop. That right toe stays on the floor. Let's take those last 16 counts and see how that feels. So we're facing the back of the room. We're going to go from cross, side, sailor with a heel. Ready? 7, 8. Cross 1, side 2, sailor 3 and 4 and 5, 6, shuffle 7 and 8 and 1. Rock 2, 3, 4, coaster 5 and 6, 7, 8, begin. That's let it out. Let's try it from the top. Once we finish that first wall, we are going to try the second. We'll go all the way around together. Here we go, leading the left foot first. 6, 7, 8. Cross 1, back 2, hold 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, point 3, point 4, sailor 5 and 6, kick 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, triple 7 and 8. Cross left 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, triple 7 and 8. Lean 1, rock 2, 3, 4, coaster 5 and 6, pop 7, 8. Begin 1, 2, hold 3 and 4, 5, side 6, 7 and 8. Sliding 1, 2, point 3, push 4, sailor 5 and 6, kick 7 and 8. 1 and 2, point 3 and 4, switch 5 and 6, 7 and 8, kick 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, cross 1, 2 behind 3 and 4 and 5, 6, triple 7 and 8, lean 1, rock 2, 3, 4, coaster 5 and 6, pop 7, 8, begin 1, 2, hold 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, point 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, switch 5 and 6, then we kick, kick and touch, out, in, cross the left, 1, 2, 3 and 4, crossing 5, triple turn, big step forward on 1, rock 2, sweep 3, right coaster, 5 and 6, start again, 1, 2, hold 3 and 4, 5, 6, then 2 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, do the kick, 7 and hitch it, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 now kick, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, cross 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, triple 7 and 8, lean 1, rock 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. That's it. What a workout. That's let it out, have fun, and we'll see you again soon.